Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Jamaica Janelle. If you guys are new, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell for notifications so you will be notified, so you will never miss a video from yours truly. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick video. Please time me on this. I will not be over 6 minutes. I just want to compare Stitch Fix and Nadine West. Let me take that back. I don't want to compare them. I just want to go over the pros and cons of each one and then let you guys know, what my personal favorite is. Clip the video. Y'all didn't know I could sing, did you? Just agree, please. Starting with Stitch Fix. I chose them first because I started working with them first, so I placed my items on a Friday and I got them on like a Monday or Tuesday. So they're really quick. The items of their clothes are very high quality clothes. They were not like super crazy expensive, like, going to like Chanel or something. Play about, $50 for a pair of jeans and, probably like, $60 for a dress. In my box, they didn't have any accessories. So yeah, I will say that's a con because I love to accessorize. And that Stitch Fix was very effective in finding clothes that I would actually wear. So as you can see, these jeans, just the way they like form to my specific body type, these jeans were in a size 2 and they fit me absolutely perfectly. And the denim jacket is actually something I would wear. Unfortunately I didn't get it because it was kind of expensive. I think that jacket was about $80 and I just didn't have the money for it. Yeah. So this is like my favorite part of Stitch Fix. They have clothes for literally everyone. When I say everyone, I mean your kids. They got toddler sizes up to 5T, and little boys and little girls, they got clothes up to size 14. So go ahead, check them out for your whole family so you don't have to go to the store every week or every month or however you do your shopping. You can just sit at home. I'm trying to do this video under 6 minutes, so I'm gonna stop rambling. All right, last thing with Stitch Fix, they have a $20 styling fee, which isn't terribly bad if you think about the items that you decide to keep. This is kind of like an incentive for you to keep your items. If you don't keep your items, then you don't get that $20 styling fee back and that money isn't credited to anything, but it's $20. So just keep an item, get your $20 worth. That's how I look at it. Alright, Alexa, stop. Whew, I'm thirsty. I'll be back. Alright, I tell you, hydration is the key. Just a sip of water will do the soul good. Nadine West. I tried them. They were the second clothing brand that I tried. My items didn't come to me quick enough. I ordered it and I was just like waiting by my phone, looking at the tracking like, where is this box? Where is my shipment? Come on, Nadine West, come on. So I'm like kind of stressing out, giving myself some anxiety. And their items, as far as quality goes, they had really decent quality items. Something I would wear. These items are items that you would find at Ross or TJ Maxx. Clothes that could have like super high potential, but at the same time, you're not paying an arm and a leg for it. $20 for a pair of nice like pants and $20 to $30 for a nice dress. If you're looking for something not so expensive, more inexpensive, Nadine West is the way to go. And you also have high quality clothes. So who doesn't want high quality clothes at an inexpensive rate? I know I do. This girl right here. Yeah, I love discounts. I love cheap rates. I love things that are inexpensive. So I'm sure you guys do. And I want to help you find the best inexpensive route to go to. As far as sizes go, they have sizes in women's sizes and they have plus sizes. So I do not want to hear, Jamaica, you're so skinny. You can fit in anything. No, I cannot. I can't fit in everything. And they have up to 3X. So it's like you can get these items If you don't, you can try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you can send them back if you don't like them. You know, and then you keep whatever you like. And they also have accessories and shoes and good things like that. So it's good. As far as if they have kid clothes or clothes for men, I will let you guys know probably in a bubble somewhere, because I don't remember seeing them have anything like that. But I'm gonna definitely do my research and show you guys, because I want to make sure that I have all of the accurate information for you. Nadine West does not have a styling fee, which is super amazing, because you don't have to really feel pressured into buying something if you don't like it. Where they do have a shipping fee, I have like little like lint flying in front of me, so if I'm gonna be looking crazy, I'm not like, it's just there's lint in my face, probably from this shirt. It's cashmere, or it's supposed to be cashmere, but it's more like, I need help. Like, I know this is off on a tangent, but how do I get this off? Y'all know. Like, it's supposed to be cashmere, but it's not even smooth anymore. When I first got it, it was smooth. And I love the sweater. Okay, anyway, so a shipping and handling fee that you pay every time you get your shipment, or before you get your shipment. When you get your shipment, anything that you keep, let's say, for instance, this shirt right here is $20, and the shipping is $10. It's like around $10 or so. If you decide to keep this shirt and you already paid that $10 shipping, you want this shirt, it's going to be credited to it. So this shirt won't be $20. You'll actually be paying $10 for it. Stitch Fix, you're paying $20. Nadine West, you're paying $10. Pick your own poison. So I did like how Nadine West was able to accessorize me, put some earrings in my box or my bag. I really feel confident they will continue putting more accessories in there because I like them. So hopefully they can put some shoes and things like that in there. So if they do, I'll be super excited and super stylish, y'all. Y'all can see all these items on my Instagram and my Facebook. I have a TikTok, but it's not popping yet. Let's say I want to go ahead and make it pop in. So I went ahead and compared Stitch Fix and Nadine West for you. As far as who I would choose going forward, I can't say, because I like them both. So what I would do is continue using both and just pick and choose from each one. There's going to be something in my subscription every month that I could definitely use in my everyday life. Just go ahead and let me know down in the comments who you would prefer to have a subscription with, Nadine West or Stitch Fix. And just let me know. And I also do have some codes linked in the description box if you are interested in trying either one of them out. And if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. If you're still here, you might as well just go ahead and subscribe, because sis, if you haven't already, like, what are you waiting for? You watched this whole video. And I have more too, so go ahead. I will be posting my boxes and my subscriptions every month for you guys, and also other little things throughout the month. Bye! Was it 6 minutes though? Was it? See you guys in my next video.